Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm reviewing this Revolution Pro foundation drops. It's foundation and it has a dropper like this. It's in the shade F8. But first I'll prime my skin with this Catrice Prime and Fine Beautifying Primer. And I know this works, so that's why I'm using it. Now I'm going with these drops. Oof, it has a bit too thick of this tube. Okay. Oh, I think this would be a good match. Maybe a bit too light for now because I have a tan. I'll blend it with my sponge. This has really good coverage. So this is the foundation. I think it looks really great. I love this dewy finish. I don't know, it has a pretty good coverage. It covered pretty much everything on my face. I like it, I really do. For now I'll use my concealer and everything. So concealer I'm using is from Revolution, Conceal and Define, and this is new shade C8 because the rest of them are too light for me right now. I hope this will be okay. Yes, it's okay. I'll set my under eyes with this Ben Nye Luxury Banana Powder. I'll set the rest of my face with these two shades from Freedom Be Free to Makeup Professional London. It's a Professional Pro Bronze, I don't know, bronzer, highlighter kit, something, but let's try it. I'll try this shade for my contour. It's really nice shade actually. I'll use this Mary Lou from the Balm as my highlighter. To bronze my skin, I'll take these two shades from Imogenation palette. For blush, I'll use this pearlescent pink from Wet n Wild. So guys, I did my makeup and this is how it looks. I did a review about one palette so you can see that also. I think that video will be before this one for these foundation drops. It's about Imogen's collab with Makeup Revolution Imogenation palette, so I'll leave a link somewhere in here and in the description. And Guys, I really like how this looks. I set it and it was great. It really, all the products went really good on it. It has really good coverage. Shade is almost perfect, if not perfect. And I don't know, I really like it. There are no creases, there are no separating or anything. Even in here it's pretty good, and I always get separation in here, so I like it. These are my first impressions. I'll be back in a few hours, so we'll see how it will look then. Hi guys, I'm back. So my foundation looks, I don't know, it really looks great. It hasn't budged anywhere. There are no creases, slightly on my forehead, but I have a big creasy forehead, so that's not a big deal. In here it's great. I really don't have anything to say. There are no separations, no creases. It doesn't look too oily, it's not too dry. I really like how it looks for now. Oh, and I forgot to say it's been 6 hours. 6 hours since I applied my makeup, so I think this is really great. And that's it. I really highly recommend this foundation. I mean, I think it's £8, and that's really a good price. If you have some comments about this foundation or anything about this video, you can comment down below. You can comment if you like it or if you don't like it and why. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching and subscribe to my channel. Bye!